Welcome back. So in the last video we looked at the coordinate system and finding a missing value for the coordinates. In this one we're going to be looking at finding the exact coordinates for each one of these points. Now it's pretty simple to do, but just follow along. We probably won't do all of these, but we can. So let's get started by looking at where our values intersect. I might pick a red color here to help us out. So if we're looking at A, we see that the point A, which is this point here, intersects the x-axis at -6 and the y-axis at 1. That means its coordinates are going to be -6, 1, right? Remembering that when we look at this, we have gotten our first points in our coordinates are going to be x and then y, alright? So that's going to be our first step. When we look at doing this with different points in between, we'll make an approximation. Alright, looking at B, which is this point here, we can see that it intersects the x-axis at -3, but it doesn't move off the line. If it doesn't move off the line, that means how far up or down it is going to be 0. That means that this point here is going to be -3 for x, but 0 in its coordinates for y. So it's not moving off the line, it's rising by 0. If we're going to go to this point here, at 1, it would need to have coordinate of 1. Looking at C, we can see it intersects at -6 on the y-axis and -8 on the x-axis, which means the point here is -8 and then -6. Alright, D, we intersect here at -3 and this one here again at -6. No, sorry, -5. So -5 is our x-axis and then -3 is going to be our y. So E, we intersect the x-axis at 2 and the y-axis at 3. So the coordinates of this point are going to be 2, 3. F, we can see it's on the line again, so its x-coordinate is going to be 4, but its y-coordinate is going to be 0. Because it doesn't move up or down. If we look at G, we have it intersecting on y as -5 and x as 3. The x comes first, so it's going to be 3 and then -5. And then for H, we have intersecting on x is going to be 6, and on y is going to be -4. Alright? So that's a really basic rundown of how you do this skill. You can use more than that. You can draw lines between each point. You can also do arrows. So you might find yourself being like, well, how do I get to G? Well, to get to G, I had to go across to 3, and I draw an arrow there, and then I go up or down -5, right? Either way is entirely valid and possible to do, but you just need to pick the one that works best for you. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.